Cumberland Falls, located in southeastern Kentucky, is a mesmerizing natural wonder that has captivated visitors for centuries. Known as the Niagara of the South, it is renowned for its stunning beauty and unique features, with its powerful 125-foot waterfall dropping 68 feet, spectacular rainbow displays, and intriguing geological formations. This landmark offers a truly memorable experience for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. When Mother Nature strikes, the falls are transformed from one of serenity and tranquility to one of animation, turbulence, and churning waters. It's an absolutely incredible sight to witness. After 2 days of heavy rain, the river rose 6.5 feet above flood levels, with the volume of water increasing dramatically and height of the falls decreasing by more than 2/3 of its 68-foot drop. And what a dramatic scene I was able to capture close up with my drone. And now for a Genie's Drone Ventures cinema short of the flooded Cumberland Falls.